It's Tuesday night, you're hungry and you have no idea what to make for dinner. I got this simple, easy, and amazingly delicious recipe. Roasted vegetables, let's get it. These are the vegetables, or you can pick your own. I like the plant-based sausage and I like the potatoes in this recipe. You can choose your own. These are the seasonings that I like. You can choose your own and customize it. Listen, you pick your vegetables. I started with the potatoes and I cut them in half. I love roasted baby red potatoes. For the Brussels, I cut them in quarters so they cook quicker, okay? This is an easy, lazy dinner. Next up, the red pepper, baby. You can use orange, you can use yellow, you can use green, whatever floats your boat, okay? After the pepper, you jump into the onion. Again, yellow, white, red, I don't care. You like it, I love it, right? And I like my onion cut in large pieces sometimes, so they melt in your mouth. Okay, I got garlic going into the onion, stir it up with some salt and pepper and oil. Then, for the Brussels, douse them in seasoning, oil, salt, and pepper. For the carrots, I like mine sweet baby carrots. Chop them up, stir them up. I forgot to show the chopping of it. These are the sausages that I love. Beyond has done a great job in improving these sausages year after year. This latest iteration of them is phenomenal. And then you season them. You over season them, and then you season them again. And then you mix the seasoning in, right? And then you lay everything out on 2 roasting pans. 3 things on each pan, like this, right? All seasoned and ready to go. Stick them in the oven for 20 minutes. Take them out, they're seasoned, they're cooked. You make sure the potatoes are tender, and then you plate them like so. Listen, people, don't let this fool you. This was one of 3 plates I ate. 1 wouldn't have been enough. And as always, if you're looking for easy and delicious plant-based recipes, grab my free recipe pack. The link is in the description below. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I got more plant-based travel and food content coming your way.